Grains ending lower on Wednesday after a higher start. Dave Chatterton is back with us. And the reversal that we saw in the grains, Dave, how much of it was that we either ran up into chart resistance or did the bulls just kind of run out of some ammunition?
Yeah, I think a little of both, Michelle. And I mean, we're in a situation where, we've added, some premium back into this complex. And I think it's been pretty much a trudge straight forward or straight up to this point. We tried those highs again today. On a higher opening, we failed to find any new buying and immediately we found a little bit of profit taking. So that buy the break mentality kind of giving away just a little bit here. And I think we're going to find this trade gets a little bit more choppy and two-sided here as we go forward. We've got a number of things that have helped us get to where we're at. We've had fund short covering that was ignited by problems in the Black Sea, problems in South America. We can look at the U.S. planting dates and concern over our own crops here, but all of that's been factored into the market to a certain degree. And I'm not saying that we can't go higher, but I think we need some more certainty on those issues before we really start to see the market maybe take that next step up. So I think at least near term here, maybe turning to a little bit more of a still well supported, but probably choppier and a little bit more erratic trading.
Yeah, going to need a bigger weather story probably to keep going here. The other things that happened on Wednesday, NOPA crush came in quite disappointing, didn't it?
Yeah, I mean, even below the lowest trade estimate and well below it at that. So we're talking about 20 million bushels, off of the average trade guess. So lowest number that we've had since September, lowest number in 7 months. And it looks like these processors are taking some extended seasonal downtime here. I think that ties back to, the oil values have been rotating lower as we've seen some competition from these biofuel blenders, blend feedstocks.
And you've got some better results coming out of that wheat quality tour in Kansas as well. That may have been a factor or not.
Yeah, I think that's, part of the calculus here, and certainly something the trade is watching. And to me, the rubber hits the road on those estimates when we get, the next few days here as we get further into western Kansas, where the tougher, crops have been. And I think those results probably change just a little bit. So I think the trade's a little bit reserved, waiting to see how those numbers turn out. But, we'll take those as they come here the remainder of the week.
Thanks so much, Dave Chatterton with Strategic Farm Marketing. We'll have more AgDay coming up. Watch Markets Now with Michelle Rook on the Farm Journal YouTube channel, keeping you updated throughout the day on the markets at the open, midday, and close. Find out what moved the markets today and what to expect the market to do next.